you would have noticed that Jax wasn't in our last video when we came home. And that's because Jackson is... Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you.
Can I put on my socks, please? Guess where I'm going?
Gym.
That's right.
No, supermarket.
No. Is Atlas away? Because he has camp today.
Mama, my teeth is starting to go.
It is. Let me see. My tooth. It's beautiful.
My teeth.
Yeah.
I don't know where my other tooth was.
Where?
The one when it fell off. If you sell the tooth, it can become money.
Right. Well, I'm gonna go to the gym now. Okay? I'll be right back.
When you get...
Alright. So I guess I should go. Huh. Alright guys, so today is day 1 of back in business.
Mom, can you do balloon now?
Huh?
Balloon now?
No, later on. Okay?
Yes!
Later on.
Yes! 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 Yes!
In just a couple days that are gone, I feel like she's grown up.
Yes!
I feel like she's grown up so much.
Yes!
And she's funnier.
Yes!
And smarter.
Yes!
And if it's possible, even more beautiful.
Yes!
Love you.
Mommy,
Let me have my coffee. Yeah. And so it's our first day back. I have some things to accomplish. This week starts things like... Ivy, 1 second, please. This week, Ivy... No. Okay, I'll wait till you're done.
You can see that now.
Are you all done? Can I
Yeah.
speak now?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So this week starts all of the stuff I have to do for high school. So this week starts a couple different things. Not orientation for the children, but kind of like orientation for parents, as well as we're supposed to get our book lists, all of that stuff.
Mommy,
Talking to a lot of...
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too, honey.
I'm your baby.
You are my baby.
Mommy, are you have your phone?
There's my phone.
Oh, right, sit there.
That's cool, right?
It's going to fall down in the floor.
It won't. I've been talking to a lot of past parents as well. Just kind of getting a little lay of the land. Just, finding out about extracurriculars, how it works, things like that. Yes, my love. Anyway, right now, may I go gym, get that done because...
I'm going to the supermarket.
I don't even know if I've done my 30 days of walking. But I'm go check and see. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright, bye.
Alright, top of the morning to you, MTM family. I come in. I am going to lift you up, Bobo. They say, stick on me like sticking plaster. Hold on. Oh. Alright, let's do this again. Good morning, MTM family. What's up? What's good? We're back. And we're back in the thick of things. Yeah, come. Stop that, I see. Yeah, man, I'm good, man. And I am dropping Atlas to camp. Came have him summer camp.
Go.
Oh, I have to turn off the AC. Wait, hold on. And Tami went to the gym. Cause she gets slim. I'm coming. I have it on old lady. She's basically a big woman now. Alright, come Atlas, come, let's go. Wait, Atlas. Come, get up there. Let me see what I'm going. Foreign drip. Wow. From head to toe. Yeah.
Give me.
Wear new clothes though. Come, let's go. Momo, good morning.
say show people them when me do. When me can do little crochet.
Jeez, now man, that not little that big for the first little try. The first little try. That body.
I can show my my crochet teacher that thing there, scamp. I'm gonna show her the picture, and you know, like adults can sign up too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Momo can learn more skills.
Oh, that's cool.
Auntie Brittany has been crocheting for 3 years.
Oh, nice.
And she made a green bag with I don't remember, but I think it was like a strawberry or like a flower or something on it in 10 minutes.
Cool.
I miss Atlas.
Oh, you miss Atlas?
Yeah.
But him just gone, him not even gone 1 minute. Oh, you miss him already. Love Atlas?
Yeah.
He's your guy. And you guys been hanging out. Oh man. I'm so come home though, don't worry. We'll pick him up together, okay? Me and you can go? Alright, cool. Tell us how go foreign and come back and Ivyton big woman. Yeah. It's crazy how they can make progress in 4 days, 3 days. You could go and come back and they're talking better. They're saying stuff that you didn't expect them to say, you know? It's crazy. But that's how development goes. It's constant. Alright, heading back home now. What you say? What you say she say?
Ivy. She said she'll go for the drive with Daddy.
Yeah.
So yeah, okay. I'm gonna get fruits. And that's what she'll tell me what she'll gonna get down there and some lime juice. Okay?
Hey, look, you know, say I always go with her, but because Tami did need the videos to do the edit, me say me come back, me case and come because.
She'll on the table, okay, and I tell me she'll go buy from we should not buy.
Oh, I just that.
Lime juice, okay?
You know, oh, you and Daddy roll already. Okay. Okay, Curly Sue.
Now can you try?
I can try. I can try. Yes, I can. But you can't get frustrated. Where's the chess piece?
No, please.
Oh, it's there.
Say, you do right, please.
Please. Okay, come in.
I don't work this business, me I do no more. I crochet thing me gone in.
Okay. Crochet take over this one head. No, sir. Crochet come like it a mad here.
Crochet thing this now. Man, I get to learn some more style though.
No, but like you know two style.
Yeah, me know little.
Where you get to learn it? Where you get to learn it?
You know, so somebody may stand up and watch. I do it.
Yeah.
A longer time.
Okay. Your head not tough.
Yeah, you know, so tough stuff.
You know, sir, I'm just there. I'm a mind run for Nana Fowl. I'm mind run for Nana Fowl like a while. I say, I go WhatsApp her and hear what she's saying till I send a video to say hello to the MTM family. So let me see what she has to say.
Hey MTM family, you miss me? I hope so, you know, because I miss you plenty. It's been a lovely time here with the sun and the breezes. I mean, I couldn't ask for better weather, but we've also been having heat waves, which is not nice. I have a little spray bottle side of me. I just spray up myself nice all over and turn up the fan high. And me feel like me there Jamaica on the beach. Anyway, I miss you all. I longing to see you. I have to wait until this knee operation come through. I don't know when. And hopefully I can see you this side of Christmas. Love to you all. I read your comments. And I also watch the program, as you know, faithfully. And I get to see the comments at the end and all that. It's really nice. All the best. All is well with me. And I'm feeling good. Love you all. Bye.
Okay, I just finished at the gym, which was great because I haven't been to the gym since last week. And you know, for anybody out there who works out, you know that being out of your routine and then getting back into it always feels good. I just stopped at Low Shoe Stand to pick up a protein shake. All it is a little almond milk, protein powder, frozen strawberries. Today I did a small banana, which I never normally do banana in there, but I did it today. And I asked them to do 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, but it's a true tablespoon because normally it's a lot more. So very nice, and this will just get me going for the day. Make sure I got that some protein in, and we'll keep it going. I'm actually going home to finish up an edit to actually put out for you guys. We don't normally edit on the same day we're vlogging, but because of how everything was set up this week, that's just how we're doing it. Something I'm really grateful for with vlogging is the flexibility that it gives me and it gives us as a family. But as you guys know, I've tried to make it as consistent as possible, so there's hardly any unpredictability. Like, we know when things are happening. In other news, you would have noticed that Jax wasn't in our last video when we came home, and that's because Jackson is at sleepaway camp for I think 7 days. 1 week is how long it is, and he and I were talking about it over the last term of school, and at first he did not want to go, but then, and we left it at that. But then one day he came home to me and we were walking, we went for one of our walks, and he said to me, I want to revisit the idea of going to this camp. I said okay, and we spoke about it, and he was like, you know what, I think I would want to. Anyhow, I said to him, boy, it's not cheap to do it, so let me talk to Dad and figure it out or whatever. And we surprised him actually the day of his graduation. So there's a point in that video where you see him reading a card, and the card said to him that, you know, he was gonna go to this camp. So it's a no device camp, so there's no device, no contact while he's there. We got an email that they were there, they made it there safely, and basically it's activities, fun stuff for a week. Wayne and I thought it was really important that he also do something big and scary and new before high school. Always nice to get in an experience like that. But yeah, that's where he is. So I just tried to, just as best as I can, just compartmentalize it. Pray he's having a good time, and I can't wait to see him. Anyway, like I said, heading home now, gonna get some work done, and we'll catch up at some point.
Mommy. Up. You don't
Hi.
have coffee.
Hi.
You don't have coffee.
No, what's this?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice?
Yeah.
No, it's a
Smoothie.
smoothie. Very good. Come here, Smoothie. You come and take this. Take this from mommy.
Okay, kick it for mommy.
These are yours.
And one.
Huh?
No one.
One?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take the other one.
Okay.
Hi, I need to get started. Oh yeah, drink smoothie too.
You understand?
Hey.
So when they are foreign, I be foreign food I eat and bear to have to come back and, you see me? Circle back my thing.
Bye.
Get back my thing rooted, you see me?
Wow.
Yeah, man.
What you say? You nearly near me.
Lucky, what do you make tea to them? Sorry, I'm one if you remember. Sorry, now forget this thing I'm in the way for
Oh, you know, I love it there foreign, my mind.
Mind the
Hey, look at me moving. Let's see how Maureen crochet, you know. You see it?
What?
What you feel like?
Yeah, man, the people them so hard going, man.
Man.
Momo Crochet take her over.
Oh, speaking of crochet, Atlas asked us to drop off him swim gear. Hi, Dalton. To school. We need him swimming things.
Why? There's no pool at school.
What a day.
You must see Sir Jack's not around. And you know the funny thing about where he's at, the camp that he's at, it's been going on for over 40 years. I myself went to that same camp, Morelands camp, when I was a kid, and I always tell Tami that it was one of the best things that happened to me socially. It was one of the first times when I actually left home with no parental, outside of my parental jurisdiction. And you know,
probably very shy.
it was also my first.
Very well.
Shy.
Yeah, that's a good point.
I was shy, yes, and it got me out of my shy shell. It was so good. So many friendships that I forged there, I still maintain and I still have to this day. Trust me, Morelands was big, huge for me, and that's why it was a no-brainer to send him when he said that he was interested in going. So we hope he's having a whale of a time. I know he's having a whale of a time. I know he's meeting new friends. It's a nice little Christian camp that focus on good behavior and discipline.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. See, our talk time, you have to make sure you say budget out your thing and all them little thing there. You have to know how me budget. Yeah, no, Jackson money done already.
He overdid it day 3.
Yeah, man. A people in my sponge pan right now. But not ask. But not ask how my guy need him things them, you know. I've been doing pickleball. Come, ready? Show them say your body. Whoa! She bad.
Now let me try.
Hold on. Give her another try.
She's way better than me.
I'm saying she's good.
Quick shots. Ah!
Oh, good serve.
Alright guys, we're at Loshusan now, about to replenish the hometel, because you know it's a hometel right now. We're gonna go do that. We have a one child with us.
Can we get snacks this time?
What do you mean this time? We get snacks every time.
Okay.
Let's go do that and then we will catch back up after. How that sound? I'm actually hungry.
I'm very hungry.
Didn't I tell you?
Oh boy.
Mama,
All right.
getting Wendy's.
Worst thing to do is actually grocery shop while you're hungry. So let's go do the worst thing ever.
Yeah.
Are you ready to do the worst? No. Are you ready to do the worst thing ever? All right, let's go.
Mommy.
MTM family, I make sure I come outside out of the nice book. I'm one telling about cricket, lovely cricket, which is back at Sabina Park. I know we're starting with the test cricket. Australia versus West Indies, people. It not get no bigger than that. Australia, probably the number 1 team of all time, is here in the West Indies. And our team need all of the support that them can get. Let me tell you something about cricket. Some of my earliest sporting memories is of cricket, going to cricket with my grandfather. And I tell you, say, even before I did love the cricket, I would go and I would enjoy myself so much. You don't even have to know about cricket for come to Sabina Park and just feel the energy, feel the rivalry, make nice when you see the ball gone in the stand, see the 6 them, see the 4 them. Trust me, one of the nicest things you can do as a family outing. You carry your sons or your daughters and just come enjoy the day out. Test cricket, people. Sabina Park, 1:30 p.m. So that means it will go till night. I think this might be the first night cricket test in Jamaica's history, and that is reason enough to come out and celebrate it. So here I tell you now the dates: July 12th to the 16th, people. I know all of the days them start at 1:30 p.m. So make sure you come out. And after that is T20. And you know, so you have to get them ticket there early, because them ticket there are hot bread, you know. T20 cricket, and that is on the 20th and the 22nd of July. So to make sure to turn out in the numbers, give the West Indies the support. Rally around the West Indies now and forever. And that we say, you know. So make sure to come out. You can get your tickets at windiscricket.com. Just forward out, people. Believe me, I'm going to be there up in the fully loaded fan zone, having a whale of a time. Make sure to come out. Believe me, it's going to be nice.